Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach the FAQ section of web development. So the FAQ section means, so I am going to find Java tutorial. So you can see there will be the questions here, the question and answering. This kind of question and answering, how to implement our site. Okay, here there are a lot of things. Okay, so these are the things how to implement our site. So there are people who are asking that. The simple way, these are the things we are asking. Okay, they're very simple. There is a site which called CodePen. Click on it. Here where you can get all the FAQ and all the things you can get it from here. The simple way, you have to go to that respective. If you went that site, it is the user interface look like this. So click on the sign up button and we have to register via your Gmail account or GitHub account. That is your wish. Okay, I'm going to sign via my Gmail account. If you join via your Gmail account, it is coming the welcome screen look like this. So I'm going to this one here. I'm going to this one. I'm going to go to the main URL. Okay, I'm leaving this screen. Okay, so this is your page. So now here I want to searching from FAQ section. FAQ. Press enter key. You can get the lot of templates of the FAQ section. So the FAQ, so here we are the code pen. So you can see here that here these are the FAQ. If you select this one, here FAQ. These are the FAQ. So I want to get this FAQ. You can see over here. There are various designs there here. If you want more, you can get more designs. These are the designs that these are the designs they are using. The people are using. These are the designs people are. You can see this. These are the designs people are using their sites here. This design here, this is how it is working here. These are the FAQ. In order to implement the FAQ in your website, you have to consider these three things. First one is this code. This is CSS file as well as the JS file. So how to implement this one? I'm going to go to create the project. I already installed the VS Code editor in my computer, so I'm going to open it. Code space dot to open the editor. Okay, editor. So here I'm going to create the project which is index.html. So here, hold on the shift key down, press 1 and select this one. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to do the another thing is here I'm going to go to implement this one. So here this one, select all. So everything you have to select this one. This everything you have to select that. This is your file. Okay, this everything are selected for the HTML. So this the complete copy this, paste on it the body. Okay, the HTML you have to paste inside the body. Okay, the inside the body. What is the code there? This is the section. This is the div. So these are the questions. This will be the answer. First you have to understand the code well. Okay, if you, before you have to go to the code pen and get used by this code, first you have to learn properly how the HTML CSS work together. Okay, that is very must. Okay, if you are not learned, you first go and learn from the scratch and come to here. Otherwise you cannot catch up the lessons. Okay, at the middle point you have to start to write up. Okay, so after that I'm going to go to the head tag. Inside the head tag you can, this is your HTML. Okay, the HTML also you can write the CSS file. This is all the copy from here. Go here, you can write style, paste on it here. You have to paste the CSS file over here. Okay, this is how we have to paste the CSS file. That's the thing. of this one. Okay, first you have to consider about when you paste the CSS files inside the head tag you have to paste. Don't paste inside the body. There are many students not aware of these things. Okay, when you are using the when you get the code from some source code from the third party websites, you must understand where you are going to paste it. Okay, you have to paste it in the proper place. Okay, without knowing these things without knowing these things you can't do it. Okay, so that's we have done so far. Now let's run and check whether it's so far fine. Here is one, it's coming, everything's well. So I need this one here, the FAQ section. It's not working. Why it's not working? Because I haven't implemented JavaScript. We have another file which is a JavaScript. So let's go to here. This is JavaScript. Just copy this everything. Control C to copy this. Back to my VS Code editor. Go to Java section. JavaScript you have to write inside the body tag. So body tag. This is HTML. Under the HTML we have write the script. We start with the script here. The script you have write the script over here. This is script started. Okay, so the script here. This is script ended. Here in this script you have to paste on the code. That's it. Now let's check on it whether it's working fine or not. Again save on it, refresh them. Now click on it. Here it's working fine. Okay, this is how we can do the FAQ section. Very simple, we can implement the FAQ section. The FAQ section we can get if you want to do some changes. Okay, what is the changes you have to do? So we have to do some changes. Okay, so here if you want to change the colors and everything, you will be able to change. Okay, so the simple way you have to change it. So that here I reveal the secret of this. So right click and impact, you go over here, the questions, simple way. This is the background color. Okay, this is a question. This is the question. So here select here impact, get this one. Okay, the color here you can select here impact. The background color will be, but the background color you can easily check it here over here. The front color is black. Okay, you can see the black color. Okay, the question part here, this one. Okay, let's go to the here, this CSS style. Below the CSS styles again, the CSS style. Okay, so there is a padding, that positive, this everything is there. What is the cursor they are using, the front, what are the front they are using, the everything, the color should be black, the background color is white. The background color, if you want to change something else here, you can change it. So I want to change along with blue. Oh, it's blue. The blue means this is a container. This container class, you just copy it back to my code. Okay, this is a container. You control F2. Control F means find the container class. This is a container. So the container style is here. So white. The white I am going to change as a which color? Blue. If I change this blue. Now let's check it. How it's save and here. Refresh it. Now it's check it here. Change it as a blue. This is it. Now I want this front color also I want to change it as a white. So how to change this? Like here you can see test out. Okay, it can be changed. So it very simple way to change it. So let's implement that one. That one also we are implemented via the container. Okay, this container. So the container also we back to container again. I want to use this white color. Now let's file save all, back to application and refresh them. Now here it has been changed successfully. Here is very nice color. This is how we have to work with the FAQ section. Very simple. Now if you want to change the FAQ here you can change your topic and answer, and here you have to place your custom questions. What is the custom? What is Java? So I'm writing the answer from here, asking Java Java is a world best programming language. Okay, you have to I just write it and show it. You have to write it you have to refresh it here. What is Java? Java is world best programming language. If you want to want to insert the internal links, you will be able to insert it over here. Okay, so so far we have to create the links, so I want to give the my website as well, so that www.tutusfunny.com. This is my website, official website. Click on it. Now let's go and check it. Click on it here. Sorry, click on it here to go to that simple problem. That here. So write this one. Copy this. Okay. We copy it from the HTML. Okay. Otherwise, it not work. HTTP. Now it's working. Now you can see it goes to the respective website. Don't copy the www. You have to copy. Okay, this is the protocol. This is nothing but a protocol which will be understand the web browser to pass these links. Okay, this is the protocol. Okay, HTTPS, which is nothing but a protocol, which will be telling that to open that particular link inside the browser. Okay, it will convert as a website. Okay, this is a protocol. Okay, that's why it will be converted. Earlier I put as a www dot it didn't convert because that is that one the browser it cannot understand. Okay, whether it's website or whatever. Okay, so if you put it, this is a protocol. That's why it's easily when you click this is they consider as this is a link. Which I click on it, it goes to this website. Okay, just study here. You can write study here. Okay, these are the styles we have to make it. Here we have to write the styles. You have to put it here. You have to write style. You have to write a white color white. Check on it now. Here the color has been changed as white. Okay, it's goes to you. Now you will be able to see the link as well. Okay, so this is simple here, very simple accordion. You can implement your websites as well. Okay, these are very important stuff when you are doing that one. Please do please study this or everything when you implement the websites. Thank you for watching.